So, hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously we have done many of the things using React 18. We have set up and we have downloaded all the React 18 stuff which we needed to work with React. Now in this video I will be telling you how to create a new React app and what are the things included in this video. I'll be start to and telling you how to create a new React app. So this video will be really helpful because in this video you will be learning how to create a React app and what are the folders and files which we will be having when we will be creating our React app. So this video will be really helpful and interesting for you because in this I'll be telling you how to create a new React app. And if you want to see this video and learn things from this video, so hit a like because it gives motivation to me. And if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things like how to work with React and how to make your own React app if you are working with React. So in this video I will be telling you how to create a new React app. Like previously we have set up our all the things. So just now we'll be starting with this and seeing how to just create a new React app using React 18. So just like I'm telling you in this video, I will be telling you how to create a new React app using this all stuff which we have downloaded in the previous video. In the previous video, we have set up, we have downloaded Node.js and VS Code. So here I will be opening my VS Code, and you have to also open your VS Code when you have installed here. So I will be opening it here. Now you can see I have opened, I am getting these all stuff. So here I will be removing. You will be getting a new window here. So you have to just do one thing. You have to make here a folder. So for creating a folder, you have to move to terminal, press new terminal here. And when you just press this new terminal, you have to first of all select the location where you have to create your React 18 folder. So here I will be selecting the location of local disk E. Now you can see I have written CDE, so it has been redirecting. So it has redirected me to local disk E. You can also just create your folder using CMD, but I am using this terminal, so I can just show you how to create this folder directly from terminal. Now when you are in your CE disk location, so here you have to now just create a folder. So for creating, you have to write a command npx create, then write here React tab because we are working with React. Then I will be just now writing here like React. Here I will be writing React tab. So here, or you can say app1, here I will be writing. So now you have to just write this formula. You can see which I have written. You have to write npx create React app. So you will be getting dash here. Remember to write these all dashes which I am writing, because if you don't get these all stuff, so you will be getting an error. Remember to write this, and your Node.js stuff should be installed, which I've told you in the setup video. So remember to check that setup video if you have not checked that out, because from in that video I've told you how to set up and how to download Node.js and VS Code. Then you can move on to this video and you can just see. So you have to write this command npx create React app. Then you have to write this app1. When you will be writing this, just you have to now press enter. This app1, here I've written this app1. You can write any other name also. This is your choice what name you have to write. Just remember to write the dash if you are writing any name here. Now when you've written all this stuff, just you have to press enter. Now when I will be pressing enter, you can see it is just here stopping. Now it will be creating your React app. So it will be taking some time to create your React app. You can see it is saying that creating a new React app in local disk E app1, means it is creating a React app with the name of app1 in local disk E. You can see because here I've selected the location of local disk E. If you want to create folder in any other location, so you can write here cd. If you want to like create in local disk D, so you can write it D. Here if you want to create in local disk C, so you can write here C. Now it is installing all the libraries which we needed to work with our React app here. So you can see it is installing like Babel Core, Fetch, Manifest, Colonna 2.0.4. So these are the libraries which we needed to work with our React app. You can see these are the libraries has been installing, and when it will be installed, so in the next video I will be telling you how to create, or you can say how to work with folders and files, and I will be just telling you what are these folders and files are used for and how we use it in this React app. In the next video I'll be telling all this stuff, and I will be just understanding, and I will be giving you the demo like how to use that folders and files which we are just working with our React app, and how to use that. So you can see it will be taking some time to create your React app, and your React app will be creating, and it will be getting an option of happy hacking. So just we have to wait a while till it is downloading, and I'll be showing you the location where it will be installing my folder. So you can see here, if I move, you can see this is the folder which I'm getting app1 here. So it is creating, it is not install all the stuff, just it is installing, but you can see the folder name we are getting it here. Just remember to do one thing, you have to just drag and drop this folder into your VS Code, or you can just directly open it. You can open it from here, from your VS Code. So here I will be now pressing enter to check it is working. So you can see, you can just see it by pressing enter here many times. So it will be just getting it here. You can see we are getting all this stuff here. So here I will be now moving in this tab. So you can see we are getting all this stuff like this. So here when you are getting this, you have to press enter if it is stuck in at any place. So you can just press enter to just deal it with these all stuff. So now when you will be just getting these all stuff, so you have to just write this command to create your React app. Then your React app will be creating, and in the next video I will be telling you how to work with the folders and files which we are getting after creating this React app. So just I hope you understand this video in which I have telling you how to create a React app using React 18, and I hope you understand these all stuff. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help moving forward. So just remember to check that all stuff also. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things. So just for today, good bye.